Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to know the password for accounts and applications that are registered on your phone if you have forgotten the password for a specific account, or for a specific site, or for an application from social networking sites. In this video we will explain how to know the passwords saved on your device, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video please, and thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to settings, then go to Google, then click on manage your account on Google, then click on security, then go down and search for the word password manager, then click on password manager. Here, as you can see, you will find all the passwords saved with you. If you want to retrieve and know any password for any account or site, just click here on that site and it will give you the login information, and it will give you the password just by clicking here on the right mark. This is the first method. The second method, you can just go to Google browser, then click on the three small dots above, then click on settings. After that, we will click on the password manager, and from here, you will also find all the passwords saved for you. Canada is the topic of my hand today. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. For those who have any problems, for those who have any suggestions, for those who have any questions, write in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video.